Hello everyone, this is Chris from craftingwithchris.org, and I'm here today to share with you my last Cat's Meow package. This one's from Julia, and I just got it this morning, but I'm just having time to open it and videotape it right now. Had to take my little puppy dog to his spa day today, and he had so much fun, and he came home looking so cute, all cleaned up and trimmed, just a happy little puppy again. So let's get into Julia's package. I'm excited. I'm sad though too. It's my last package. It always goes so fast. Okay, let's see. Oh, what do we have here? This has got an adorable little tag on it. There we go. Beautiful ribbon to reuse. Put it back in my lavender bag. Got an adorable little tag on it. Can you see that? And it's a wand of some kind. Feels like maybe a shaker wand. Sounds like it too. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Look at this shaker wand. Isn't that gorgeous? That's the back. She's got the ties. She used some glittery, sparkly ribbon on the stick. She's put I guess they're sequins, the little, like the stuff you'd put in or on a table, confetti type stuff. That's what I'm trying to think of. And all the beautiful pearls in there. And the picture on the back is just gorgeous. That's beautiful. I love the white trim contrasted with the black lace. Black and white can be so pretty and so elegant. Thank you very much, Julia. That's gorgeous. And this says, I left the 3 white roses without a center so that you can match it with your project. She's given me everything needed to make a beautiful project. Okay, here's the white flowers and another pretty tag. And some yellow flowers. These are all packaged so beautifully. I know what I'm going to do with these buttons that are on the top of each one of these. They're going to become embellishments. Here's some little tiny roses and flowers and another nice pretty tag. Some pink flowers. Can't seem to get that glare off. Now it's glaring in my eyes. Yeah. These are all homemade projects. They're all just gorgeous. Look at those rosettes. And some beautiful pink flowers. Thank you very much, Julia. I love your presentation and the product inside. And it's just all gorgeous. Beautiful shades of pink. So next we have another gorgeous tag. Let's see if I can just slip this off without untying it. There's another gorgeous tag. I wonder if those tags are from the new Graphic 45. There was a new one that came out. Or was it something ladies, I think. Can't remember. But I'll bet that's from that collection. They're also very pretty. My mouth is just so dry today. I don't know if it's from the heat or the dinner I ate last night that I probably shouldn't have eaten. We went to Kentucky Fried Chicken because it was my mother's birthday and my roommate's birthday. And that dinner just wiped me out. Aren't those gorgeous? Look at the size of those. They're huge, but they're beautiful. And here's some in gold. Oh, I like this one here in the middle. And on the end down here. Oh, those are just gorgeous. I even like these plain ones here. Those are such a pretty color. And all the little things to go in between them here. Oh, those are beautiful. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Stir sticks and measuring cups. And you actually got me the real deal. The mixing cups and the stir sticks from that are actually made for resin. Oh, that's wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Oh, and thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know if you guys knew what I wanted these for. They're the little eyedropper type things, but that's also for the resin. Some of my molds are so tiny, and I try and pour just a tiny, tiny little bit in the mold, and I always get too much in there. And I saw these online, and I thought, hey, that will work great. I can just slurp up a little tiny bit and squeeze it into the mold. Oh, that's great. Thank you so much. I really, really wanted those. And this says, you are the cat's Meow. And her card. We are the cats Meow together this month. How fun. You are a great crafter and friend. Thank you, Julia. So are you. We work well together. Look at that pretty rose. And it's just put on a little piece of burlap with the edges frayed. Oh, such a beautiful card. Look at this gorgeous card. And then inside, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I guess it stands up like that. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous card, Julia. Gorgeous. And here's another one. Same kind of thing. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love this little pink trim here. That's so cute. Thank you very much. Those are beautiful. And a couple of things of ribbon. Oh, aren't those nice? I'll open one because they're both exactly the same pattern. One's in black and one's in white. And it's just little tiny trim like this. I'm working on a project right now that I can use this little trim for. A couple of the pieces that I'm doing, I was having trouble finding little tiny thin ribbon or lace that matched the colors. But the white or the black will go beautifully too. Oh, Scrappy, you got a treat from Julia's doggies. You want to come see your treat from Julia's doggies, huh? Come see. Come see. You get them open here. I get one out. Come here. Come here. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. And look at here. Here's your little treat from Julia's doggies. Oh, that smells good. Oh, and there's more in the bag. Oh, how wonderful. Say thank you. Thank you, Julia. Tell your doggies thank you. You want to take it with you? Okay. There you go. Thank you, Julia. Tell your doggies thank you. Scrappy likes it. He's munching away on it. Let's see it in the package. Isn't that pretty? This feels like score tape. Looks like score tape. Must be score tape. Oh, good. Another 3/8 inch one. Is that a new size? Because, you know, I got one other from Inez, I think. And I don't think I've ever seen the 3/8 inch size. But I think it's going to be a popular one. Thank you so much. Oh, and foam dots and circles, or foam squares. And a package of foam squares. So, looking good in that category. There's another pretty package. Feels interesting. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh my. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And the little clear feet on the bottom. And it feels like it's full of stuff. Got this has got a little tiny key here. Did you see that? Little teeny tiny key there. And she did the inside. There we go. And the top. I can't tell if this is a handmade box or if it's like a ready-made box. Beautifully done. Oh, beautiful chunky charm. I was watching a video the other day, and they were showing a chunky charm that they had gotten in a swap, and it was about like that much. And I thought, you guys have no idea what a chunky charm is. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all those beautiful beads. Long silver. That says shoes and a box and a for you. And that's a shoe. Isn't that gorgeous? So many cute different shoes. Purse. Absolutely beautiful, Julia. Beautiful. Thank you so much. And I think this may be one of Julia's absolutely gorgeous albums. I don't think anybody makes them as beautiful as Julia does. Time and patience she puts into them, and work, and it doesn't go out unless it's absolutely perfect. I'm losing something here that's supposed to be behind a belly band. Isn't that beautiful? So elegant. And the tassel has a little bead with leaves around it. Oh, the little tiny crocheted flower that she's put on a metal ring. How cute. Never thought of something like that. Inside the tassel is our strings of beads. Beautiful. Okay. I want to see two. Okay, this either came from here or it came from there. Might have been in there. Look at this beautiful trim. I think this comes out this way. Isn't that a beautiful piece of paper? Oh, and then there's a photo mat here. This comes out. Ladies' Journal. That's what the name of the book was. Ladies' Journal. And it goes back in there. Isn't that pretty paper? Oh, what a gorgeous tag. Gorgeous. We have a photo mat and a little pocket and another photo mat. Now all opens up like that. Boy, I'll have to sit and just look through every page on this when I get a chance. We have a photo mat up here that I can't grip hold it. There we go. Isn't that pretty? I get it in the right spot here. There we go. And all these gorgeous postcards. Another beautiful tag. And it's got two pockets here. And the bottom one has lace across it here with some flat back gems. Pretty. Come on, break loose. Well, I'm not going to force it too hard. I'll get it out when I'm looking. I like the way you've tied these bows, just one bow on top of the other. That's clever. And this one looks like a waterfall. Isn't that pretty? Wow. Yeah, I really like that paper. That's pretty paper. And then we have here, this one lifts up. And this one lifts up. And they have magnets in them to hold them in place. And these two are just solid. Another tag. Another photo map. Isn't she pretty? Well, she's the same one that's on the cover. Here's the tag that was in it. There's a little dress form there, and it's got a dress on it. And then look how she's made this pocket. She made the pocket with sides all around, about 1/4 of an inch, maybe 1/8 of an inch. She's cut out the center here with a die probably, and put a picture behind it, and then put a tag down here with a button. That is such a cute idea. Very nice. I like that. And it holds a tag that's got a little more body to it. Another photo map. There's another tag. And this pocket lifts up. And beautiful picture on it there. Oh, it lifts up and down. And then on the back cover we have another large tag and a pocket. Again with beautiful lace down the edge. Well, Julia, you've done it again. Another great success. And I think what she's done here, the ribbon I guess comes off, but it slips over both pieces of the cover to hold it in place. Beautiful, Julia. I love it. Thank you so much. I love that paper. I think I remember you saying that you were going to get it or something, and remember thinking that that was going to be another beautiful collection, and it definitely is. Okay, well, that's it for my cat's Meow. I want to thank everybody that gave to me. I'm now going to go back through the boxes and sort everything out and put it away and start using all my wonderful new goodies. And thank you for looking at my list and sending me a lot of the things that I wanted, and making all the beautiful handmade items. They are all gorgeous. Every one of you are very talented, and your work is just beautiful. So thank you very much, and I hope everybody has a good day. I can't find my button. Where's my mouse? There's my mouse. All right. Bye-bye.